Hey kids, that's right, back in the shop, we're gonna check something out. That's right kids, we're testing something out. We are testing something out. We actually got a flame resistant shirt. Yeah, it's nice. It's actually from a company. They sent me an email, and then we had the big storm, and videos got slowed down, and so we're finally getting at it here. It's from BOCOMAL. It's BOCOMAL. Be out here. I'm also going to put it down in the description and a link with to this, as well as any links they've sent me to. Now, this is fire-resistant clothing. It says it provides necessary protection against flash fire. I don't have my glasses on. My fault. Flash fire and short duration thermals. Category 1 protection against electric arc flash too. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. And then it's made with treated fire-resistant cotton, fire-resistant buttons, and it is a soft fabric that is comfortable. It actually is comfortable. The standards on fire resistance: garment protection, industrial personnel against flash fire, and then it gives the things it's compliant with. I'm excited. You excited? Let's do this. All right. See how flame resistant it is. Ready? Welding. Something I forgot to get. Where'd you guys put? Okay, here we go. Tell you what, if any sparks were hitting me, I didn't feel them. Let's try it again. All I'm doing is the welds were not good. I brushed them a bit on here. I'm just trying to clean them up. So, good test for this shirt. I don't feel any heat through my arm onto my arms. That's much better. I'm gonna get these cleaned up. I'll bring you back in a minute. Let's bring it closer. We're gonna find the switch. We're gonna get down here. Same thing. Tell you what, this shirt from BOCOMAL, really pleased with it. We're gonna see how it does when you start grinding. I'll tell you what. The shirt's pretty good. So now that we got, anyway, I'm gonna finish up this side, and then I'll bring it back in for the grinding. All right, I got some good welds on there. It's very, very hot, so I'm gonna let that cool down all the way because I'm gonna be handling it and stuff. So once that's cooled off, we're gonna get the grinder out and we're gonna make some sparks, and we're gonna throw sparks everywhere, and we're gonna see. And actually, I'm gonna put that shirt right there. I'm gonna put it up on the wall, and we're gonna shoot sparks at it. Real close. We're gonna test this thing out. We'll see if it's on its paint speech approved. Oh, it's nice. It's like 90 degrees outside. It's terrible. Anyway, so stick around because we're gonna be doing that coming up. All right, kids, everything's cooled down. Time to give her a test. Right now. Okay, we're all the way over here. So I added a couple more welds, but we're doing good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, actually, you know what? We're gonna kind of go like that. Stick around. All right, get some gloves on. I'm gonna hold it like that, shoot them over there. Why? Durability. That's it. Here we go. See how she did? Okay. I ground a little bit more just for fun. Not a mark on it. Not a mark on it at all. Not a hole, not a mark. Do some grinding dust. All right, this, like I said, this BOCOMAL, and it's BOCOMAL FR. I'll tell you what. I mean, you guys saw. Shot sparks right on it. I even got really close. Let's rewind and see what we learned today. Okay, yeah, stylish. All right, so the BOCOMAL FR shirt, links, all that good stuff. This shirt, I'll tell you what, welded in it, shot grinder sparks right at it. This thing is pretty darn cool. And yes, Honest Paint and Speed Shop approved. So make sure that you check out the link down in the description. Check out the pictures I posted up, you know, go back and look at them. Tell you what, go get you one. Right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.